Hello, parents, mommies, and daddies. My name is Frederick from Smartphone Productivity Club, sorry, where we are deeply concerned about how your awesome kids use their smartphones. Summer break is coming. Hooray! And your children are going to be getting a whole lot of access to their smartphone, unlimited access to their smartphone, because it's summer and it's cool, right? But then we don't want your children to just spend their time whiling away on Roblox and all the awesome games that they play, or even your teenagers spending too much time on social media, right? We want to give them an opportunity to explore the potentials of their smartphone in our forthcoming Smartphone Productivity Summer Camp. We are going to be teaching them about smartphone productivity. Yes, we want to teach them how to use their smartphone so it doesn't become a distraction to their academics, social life, and all of that. And then we're also going to be teaching them awesome digital skills that they are going to make sure that we are going to make sure that the time they spend on their phone is going to yield productive results. Yes, we are going to be teaching them mobile phone coding, how to code with a mobile phone. Awesome, right? We are also going to be teaching them how to shoot and edit video just like this one. Yes, this video was shot and edited with a smartphone. And then we are going to be teaching them comic storybook creation so they can tell their stories, create characters with their smartphone, and then make or create a comic storybook they can read and also share with other children with their phone. That's cool, right? I'm telling you that smartphones are so awesome and so amazing that if your children get to learn how to use it effectively, how to harness the potentials of the smartphone, you really would no longer be worried about how they are or the time they are spending on the smartphone. And that is what we are going to be ensuring at Smartphone Summer Camp, holding this August 2021 during their summer break. Oh yes, for just 1 week. We don't want to eat up all the whole time that they have in the summer break, because of course they should have other activities they are going to be getting involved with. All right, and we're just taking 1 week of their summer break to offer them all of these trainings. If you want to learn more about enrolling your children or enrolling your teenager, right, click the link down below or call or WhatsApp the number that is showing right now on your screen to learn more about Smartphone Productivity Club. Again, my name is Frederick and I'm looking forward to having an awesome time with your children and teenagers this summer.